Welcome back, AVI fans. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing carbon fiber paddle shifters from Subi Mods. So we're going to show you how to just wipe these off with isopropyl alcohol and then just stick them on, and then maybe go through the gear changes, you know, for the CVT transmission. So here we go. Alright, so we did clean them. So. Oh, but let me show them.
First step, open the hood. Oh, no,
Go back to the first video.
So get some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Easy cleaning.
Yep.
Turn the turn signal on and the windshield wipers.
Let me fix that now.
Oh.
Cool.
All clean. If you didn't see that video.
Yeah, how does he have a white sticker? What?
How does he have a white sticker? That's not stock.
It's a mod.
Check out our video.
Link in the description.
Sure.
Now, let's get this
So it comes with some 3M tape. Basically just gotta...
3M's running everything nowadays.
Make sure you test which side is which because they are side specific.
Yes.
One,
so,
it won't look like it fits, and then
there we go. Yeah.
You just gotta make sure.
Yay.
Okay.
There we go.
Peels it off.
And now carefully stick them on.
See the carbon fiber?
Nice and solid.
Much bigger, much easier to shift gears.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Show me how to get to heaven. That's what they used to say. All right.
And yeah, there's the left side's done, and you basically just do the same thing for the right side. Super easy mod. Make sure to stick them on.
Super easy mod to get the chicks. They'll love them.
You heard it. Chicks love paddle shifters.
All right, now let's go for a test drive.
Oh.
See how they paddle.
See how.
First gear.
Okay.
Let's check out the back camera. We never did that for the Subi review. There it is. You asked for it. Looks cooler. I mean. Nice.
So first impression, you like them?
They're not working now.
Because you're in reverse.
I'm a little disappointed. All right, in first gear. Punch it. Wow. Solid gear shift change.
So you like the way they feel? Is it easier to hit them, or?
Has a smooth backing to it. Downshifting. Yeah, they feel good. I would recommend just not shifting at the tips here, just at the center, just so you know you don't want to lose the contact with the glue for the tape. But yeah, it feels really good.
Cool.
Changing. Ooh, nice.
Yeah, we'll put the link in the description below for these.
Yeah.
And
Oh yeah.
make sure to subscribe. Check out our next content. Next, maybe we'll do some plasti dip on the taillights, smoke them out, and
Smoke 'em out, yeah.
and maybe we'll do a plasti dip to the Mustang. I know we haven't seen many Mustang mods recently, but
Yeah, what?
they're coming. I swear, they're coming. All right, make sure to subscribe, and just like that, AVI out.